All right, let's break down the blueprint for hitting a million with AI. And yep, zero coding skills needed.
This isn't just some idea. It's a proven process that's already built million-dollar AI companies fast. So, the first rule, sell before you build. This flips the whole traditional model on its head, you know?
Think about it. The old way is build, then hope. The new way? Sell first. Guaranteed customers.
And this whole pre-selling thing is way simpler than it sounds. It's really about asking for advice.
Okay, here's a secret that might surprise you. Pick a boring market. Seriously.
We're not chasing trends. We're looking for real, lasting problems in stable industries. That's the key.
And you don't have to guess. Just ask an AI to find industries with painful manual work. Okay, so once you've found a market, it's all about profit, not just revenue. That's margin.
And when you look at the models, the path to huge profits is obvious. Software is king.
So the play is, start with a service, learn what works, then turn that knowledge into software. But margin is only half the story. Cash flow, that's the oxygen that keeps your business alive. So, how do you get great cash flow? Simple. Craft an offer that gets you paid upfront. All right, now it's build time, but we're not making something fancy. We're building an MVP.
And you've got options, even if you can't code. The key is to just start and start fast. But here's a problem you want to have. If you don't automate, success will actually drown you.
You need a system that works while you sleep. Think of it like a vending machine for your product. Now for the hidden step. This is a big mindset shift. It's about getting long-term greedy. Short-term thinking gets you paid today. Long-term thinking builds something that lasts for decades. This all boils down to 3 S's. First up, sell. You got to get that first client. Next, you scale. Tighten up your systems, raise your prices, and make everything work smoothly. And finally, you stack. Once one machine is humming, you just build new things on top of it.
Because look, the end goal isn't just about the money. It's about building an amazing life.
We're still so early with AI. The opportunity is absolutely massive. So what will you build?